Hello students, now we will move to the last vowel, that is vowel U. How we pronounce U? The phonic sound of U is uncle. Umbrella is A. So there are 7 types or 7 formations like U B, U D, U G, U N, U M, U P and U T. So phonic sound of UB is UB, that is cub, dub, UB. Then next UD is UD, UD is bud, mud, UD, bud, mud. Okay. Then is UG, that is UG, UG, that is bug, mug, UG. Then next is UN, that is un, means burn, fun, un. Moving to the next is is For example, mum, gum, gum, Then moving on to the next, UP, that is up, sup, pup, up. Then UT is ut. The phonic sound of UT is ut. For example, cut, but, ut. So there are 7 formations. So write, your homework is to write 3-letter words with vowel U. Okay. Thank you.